So our project is one trade show, really now in Milano. We born it 4 years ago, and it's 420 Fest, international trade show that every year there is in Milano, Francesco.
Okay. When is the Cannafest show?
Edition.
The next edition.
The next edition we will be in 3, 4, 5 April of the next year, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
We must not forget Sir Canapa.
Yes, Canapa is the first shop in Italy, and we sell everything about cannabis, cosmetic, food, grow, everything that you can make with cannabis. And we born it in 2015, and we are in the center of Milano, and we just buy very big and good, amazing machine from Harvin distribution.
Okay.